If you're a student in the city of The Hague, and if you've joined a minor or a course on entrepreneurship, you might not know what to do with your idea after you've finished your course. We don't want students to go back to school, we want them to stay in business, and that's why we ask them to join the Venture Academy.
We offer this program to all students in The Hague. That's why we have a very diverse crowd of students coming from very different backgrounds and universities. Every semester we accept up to 10 startups and we help them going from the idea stage to the market with their project with a program of 14 weeks.
If I were a student, I would definitely participate in this kind of program because it gives you a 360 degrees super essential knowledge about how to develop your product, how to work and form your team, and how to really come up with a profound market research to realize your positioning. And basically it's one step ahead of prepare you for investment readiness, and I highly recommend.
I think one of the most interesting things that I learned from being at the Venture Academy is that I started with an idea and I learned to actually put that into a business and actually learn all these elements from business to marketing to put that all together into one and create something very special.
The Venture Academy really helped my company to develop a sense of identity. It allowed us to put all the chaos together into a clear idea, a business plan, a financial plan, and a project for the future.
Come to visit us at Center for Innovation Leiden University in The Hague and apply for the next Venture Academy to launch your own startup.